News Alert. The Supreme Court expected to rule on two major cases today, and one of those a decision that could strike down one of Obamacare's most controversial requirements.
As the clock winds down, supporters of the arts and crafts chain, they are feeling confident of their Obamacare challenge. Doug Luzader is live for us in Washington with more on this landmark case. Good morning, Doug.
Good morning. The Supreme Court ends its term today, and it is going out with a flourish. The justices waited until the very end here to release a couple of decisions in two of its most closely watched cases. The biggest involves Obamacare. Did Congress go too far in requiring that companies provide free contraceptive coverage to their employees, even if it violates the owner's deeply held religious beliefs? Arts and crafts retailer Hobby Lobby and a company called Conestoga Wood Specialties both sued the federal government.
I think you saw in the oral argument in March that the court was very skeptical of the government's claim that the federal law and the Constitution doesn't allow for-profit businesses to be protected in their religious freedom. I think you saw some of the liberal justices be very skeptical of that claim, and of course the conservatives were with us on that point.
The court could let it stand for all groups and businesses beyond strictly religious organizations, but it could also offer a narrow decision that only affects privately held companies. It could offer a sweeping decree that Congress, voting straight along party lines, overstepped its bounds in creating the mandate.
The government will not violate anyone's religious beliefs, but no one has the right to discriminate against a woman because of her own beliefs. And I believe that the Supreme Court will find that no business should be allowed to discriminate against women.
Now, the other big decision we're waiting for has to do with unions and whether they can compel non-members to pay dues. These decisions could start coming out as early as 10 o'clock this morning. Heather and Ainsley.
All right, we'll be watching. Thank you, Doug Luzader, live for us in D.C. Coming up on Fox and Friends, more on both of these cases. Hobby Lobby's lawyer, Christina Arriaga, she will be joining us at 6:20 a.m. Eastern Time. And then the union plaintiff, Pam Harris, will be on at 8:50 a.m. Eastern Time.